Stop! Before you buy another plant, you need to watch this. You bring home a gorgeous plant, but weeks later, the leaves yellow and brown. Sound familiar? 70% of houseplants die within the first year, not because you lack a green thumb, but because you're missing 5 essential tools. These aren't just gadgets, they're the secret weapons pros use to keep plants thriving. Today, I'll show you each tool, why it matters, and how it solves the most common plant problems. Stick around. Number 4, saved my entire garden during my last vacation. The most important tool for any plant parent? The 3-in-1 soil meter. Overwatering is the #1 plant killer, and guessing doesn't work. This meter gives you instant readings on soil moisture, light intensity, and pH. Just stick it in the soil, no batteries needed, and know exactly when to water. It helps you find the perfect spot for each plant by measuring real light levels, not just what looks bright, and if your plant is still struggling, check the pH. Some plants need more acidic soil. With this tool, you stop guessing and start understanding your plant's needs. It's simple, affordable, and prevents the most common mistakes. No more root rot, no more wilted leaves. Every plant parent needs one. Trust me, this is a game changer. Annoyed by tiny black flies around your plants? That's fungus gnats. They lay eggs in your soil and damage roots, especially in damp conditions. The solution? Yellow sticky traps. These non-toxic traps attract gnats and other pests, breaking the cycle before it gets out of hand. Just stick them in your pots. No chemicals, no mess. They're safe for pets and kids, and double as an early warning system for soil issues. If you see lots of gnats, it's time to adjust your watering or treat the soil. Cheap, simple, and incredibly effective. Every plant owner should have these on hand. Light is the fuel for healthy plants, but most homes just don't have enough. That's where LED grow lights come in. They provide full-spectrum light, mimicking the sun and supporting every stage of growth. Built-in timers give your plants consistent light, even in dark corners or during winter. Use them to supplement a window or create a lush oasis anywhere, even in a windowless room. They come in all sizes, from single bulbs to panels for big collections. With grow lights, you control the light and unlock your plant's full potential. No more sad, leggy plants, just vibrant, healthy growth. Worried about your plants when you travel or get busy? An automatic watering system is your answer. Set up a reservoir, run tubes to each plant, and program the timer. It delivers the right amount of water, right to the roots, on schedule. No more relying on forgetful friends or coming home to wilted leaves. It's customizable for different plant needs and works for any collection size. I used one before a 2-week trip. Every plant was thriving when I got back. It's not just for vacations, it's perfect for busy or forgetful plant parents. Set it and forget it. Your plants stay happy and healthy. Peace of mind, every day. This tool is a lifesaver. Gardening should be relaxing, not painful. Kneeling on hard floors or bending over for long periods can hurt your knees and back. A foldable garden kneeler and seat solves this. Use it as a cushion kneeler or flip it into a sturdy seat for higher tasks. The steel frame is stable, and the foam pad protects your joints. Most come with tool pouches, so your essentials are always within reach. When you're done, it folds flat for easy storage. Take care of yourself so you can take better care of your plants. Comfort makes gardening a joy again. These 5 tools will transform your plant care. No more guesswork, just thriving plants. I've linked my trusted picks in the description below. Check them out for the best prices. Supporting the channel helps me bring you more tips and tricks. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Green Nest Daily for more plant hacks. Comment below, which tool are you